This is the cheapest product ever.
Yeah.
That you can get right at your nearest grocery.
Okay.
And no, it's not dishwashing liquid.
Oh Lord, thank you, Jesus.
I come to you with the key.
Yep.
I present to you a cure. A cure for your frustrations.
I love it.
The answer to your makeup prayers. I come to you with the gospel.
What?
Gospel according to this soap of washing makeup brushes. Okay? Like, listen to me. I have never enjoyed washing makeup brushes so much. And I'm going to show you guys everything that I used to do, what my methods were, the process, everything like that, before I was able to come to the answer. And I must shout out my client, Doris, who came through for me, girl.
Hair to the yeah.
Before, I would have had to pre-clean my brushes. And to pre-clean my brushes, I would use micellar cleansing water as well as baby wipes. Apply the micellar water onto the wipe. The reason why I fold it is so that it soaks all the way through. And then I would open it up. Then I start pre-cleaning my brushes, right? By rubbing it onto there. If I did not do this, when I use dishwashing liquid to clean my brushes, it never used to be clean. It used to still be dirty, and that used to drive me crazy. I applied the soap. I'm just gonna show you using this angle brush that I have here, that I use for contouring, right? I also have this eyeshadow brush. So this is brushes that have not been pre-cleaned, right? I wet it, and then I start. And then when I wash it out, you're gonna see there's still product on it. See that? This is the true color here, and this is where the product is still onto it. Same thing with this brush. And I like to see my brushes clean, right? I can't be putting dirty brushes on people's faces. This is a brush that is actually pre-cleaned. Yeah, I try to get off as much foundation on my Real Techniques buffing brush. Then I would wash it, and then when you look, you're still seeing foundation on it. Let me show you what I was introduced to by one of my clients. This is it. This is it. B29. It's called the first multi-purpose soap, glycerine extra, and you even get a body lotion inside of it. Look, it's right there. Pull up a B29 by, and you can get this right in a Chinese grocery. So this is what I have remaining right now. Like I said, I got this from a client. She put me on, and listen to me, I have never been so excited to wash brushes. When I have so many clients and I go through so many brushes, I just have to like literally make up my mind, like sit and ponder and prepare myself. Okay, I have to wash brushes. You need to wash brushes, or else you're gonna have a whole set on you. Like, I think just last week I washed about 40 brushes. And look at how much I have here. Look at how much I have here. So now, this is how easy it is done. I wet the soap, I wet the brush, and then I just swirl it around on here, and immediately I'm already seeing how brown the foam is, so that way we know there was still foundation trapped in there. Well, it's not extremely brown, but it is brown. And then I would give it an extra oomph on this, and then I rinse. And listen to me, rinsing is so much easier. Another trick too is sometimes when I'm drying my brushes on my towel, you realize that there's still soap trapped inside of the bristles of your brush. So sometimes I would have to be rinsing out brushes like 3 and 4 times. And to be honest, since I've had to use the soap, I have never had to rinse my brushes so much. So what I do is rinse off the mat when I'm finished washing all of my brushes, soaping them up. And when it's time for me to rinse, and then I go back onto the mat. And when I go back onto the mat, usually foam starts to reappear here. And once foam does not reappear here with the water and what is remaining from the bristles and everything, I know for a fact my brush is clean. And this is a huge difference compared to what you were seeing. The edge of my bristles was still sort of cream, and now it's white. Look at that. Since I've been using this, listen to me, game freaking changer, okay? I'm gonna show you with my previous brushes that you can see is still very much dirty. I swirl it around, swirly, swirly. An extra scrubby wubby. Then it's time to rinse. And I go back onto my mat. Look at the difference. Look at this. This is the color that I want. This is the color that I desire. This is the color that you ought to have. You don't want to use dirty brushes on your face. That causes you to break out. Time for the other one. This is the before. And this is the after. Come on, you guys. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my God. You know what? I'm gonna get the exact price. Trusted since 1942. Extra glycerin. The only difference is that mine was yellow and this is blue, but I don't see anything different. There's this white one here. It's the same thing. It's just different coloring. And guess the price. Look at that. I tell you, less than $10. It's $4. Come on, guys. Let me pick up 1, 2. And I'm gonna make sure to pick up at least 3 or 4 of this soap, because listen to me, y'all are not gonna make me have to struggle to find soap. I ain't going through that. Olia. Olia. Listen, look at this. Look at the state of hair. Isn't it gross?
A few moments later.
We're down to the last one, as you can see. All my brushes are clean, super duper clean. I do know that there are like 2 brushes that would have been stained from the dyes, I guess, that was used to create the eyeshadow, but I did wash it like 3 times just to be sure, and they are extremely clean. They're just stained, right? And I know there are some situations where we can't get away from that, but other than that, listen to me. This job was quick and I had no problem washing all of my dirty brushes. How excellent of a job B29 does. Like, come on guys, come on guys, what are you waiting for, guys? I understand that there's another brand called the Zote soap that also does a really good job. I've never used it and I don't even think I need to go and butter to get that soap anymore. But like I said, again, shout out to my client Doris. Girl, you saved me. Gave me a second chance. Yes, you saved me, girl. I have mad respect for you, girl. Like, for real. And the price, listen, $4 on her. Jeez and ages. $4. That's cheaper than a bag of Polori. Tell me, like, I know Polori for $5 a bag. That's cheaper than doubles. Because doubles will sell for $5 now. And it's gonna last you longer than doubles. Happy washing makeup brushes. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it with someone that you know needs to be put on with the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but it. I made sure to grab up a whole bunch so y'all do not make me run out. Thank you for watching this. Alright guys, that's it until next time. Bye.
Look at it, guys. Look at this right here. Look. $4 on it. $4.